We're here with Meghan Minor, who is the Assistant Office Manager at Winchester Dental, and we want to talk a little bit about what can somebody expect if it's their very first appointment, because coming here is different. Everybody says it. I know that when I came here as a patient, it was different. So why is it different, and what can you expect besides really friendly service?
Well, yes, definitely really friendly service. At the first appointment, we really like to take the time to really get to know the patient. Their medical history is very important. We really believe in a whole body approach to dentistry. Your overall health is very important to us. So we definitely take a lot of time checking your health. And then we move into full mouth x-rays, which are important. I mean, we can see your mouth, but we can't always see what's going on under the surface, and that's where we need x-rays. So we try to minimize patients' exposure to x-rays as much as possible, but we do like to get a good complete set of x-rays when a patient first comes to us. We check the health of your gums, so we're going to measure the area around your teeth between the tooth and the gums, because that gives us an idea of how healthy your gums are. And if you have gingivitis or periodontal disease, that's where we're going to catch that. And then we spend a lot of time putting together a treatment plan that fits what patients want and also their finances, and we take all of that into consideration.
Neat. So do we get to, when we get our x-rays, do we get to look at them?
Absolutely.
That's neat.
Yes. We look at those together. Doctor looks at every tooth, goes over everything that's already existing in your mouth, and we chart all of that. So it's kind of the beginning of our relationship with you and your mouth.
And how many people, honest answer here, how many people leave after their first appointment smiling and saying, wow, I'm so glad I came?
I think a lot of people do. Honestly, I do. I think a lot of people get very nervous about that first visit and kind of get themselves worked up. And I really think by the time they leave, they're like, that was not so bad. I can do this. I can come back. And I do think it helps people get to know us and we get to know them, and it does make them comfortable to be here because it is a great place to be.